Morning boys and girls, and it's time for our marvellous maths lesson today. The cards that you made yesterday, and so many of you made your own little post-it notes and you made them on card in different colours. They were brilliant. I'd like you to get those ready to use again today, please. And if you've got one, a dice. But if you don't have a dice, I'd like you to just pick 10 objects around your house. So 10 things, toys or whatever you'd like to use for your maths learning today. Okay, let's start by warming up. Getting nice and warm, ready for our maths lesson. Okay, number one, what comes next? I'm not going to read those numbers. I'd like you to read those numbers and tell me what comes next. Question 2, 1 10 and 7 ones equals what number? Question 3, can you count from 15 to 20? That was amazing. And question 4, how many straws are there? Remember that the bundle has 10 straws in it. Count on from 10. Okay, let's go through the answers. Number 1, what comes next? The answer, well, let's read it together. 11, 12, 13, 14. Top marks, well done. Question 2, 1 10 and 7 ones equals. So I've got 1 10. I'm going to put 10 in my head and count on 7 ones. I'm going to, count them out. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's 7 ones I've added on. 17. Can you count from 15 to 20? Let's do it together. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Of course we can. Question 4, how many straws? So there's 10 and 2 more. 10, 11, 12. There are 12 straws shown there. Brilliant start. Well done, boys and girls. Today we are learning to add by counting on. That means we're going to put one number into our head, a bit like we've done with our tens, and then we're going to be counting on another number to help us to get an answer. Here, this little girl says, counting on is so much fun. Can you say that? She has got some dominoes and she has got a 6 at one side, 6 dots, and 3 at the other. So her sum is 6 add 3. She is going to put 6 into her head and then she's going to count on 3 more numbers. So everybody put 6 in their head, and as I put my finger up, you're going to count on from 6. So the next number would be let's do that together. 6 in my head, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. So I would have 6 in my head. I'm going to count on 3 more. 7 is 1 more. 8 is 2 more. 9. I've counted on 3 more. Wow! You were super speedy at that. Okay, I've shown you a different domino now. I'd like you to think, which way would you count on? Would you put the 6 in your head and count on 4 more? Or would you put the 4 in your head and count on 6 more? Either way, you'll get the same answer. They're in the same fact family. So Tiny, let's have a look at Tiny the turtle. He put 4 into his head and then counted on 6 more. Can you copy what he did when I show my fingers? So 4, I'll do that with you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He's added on 6 more, counted on 6 more, and the answer is 10. Whereas the little boy has put 6 in his head. Put 6 into your head. He counted on 4 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 4 more that we've counted on. Same answer, just different way of doing it. Today, you are going to be counting on from your number cards. So, you're going to pick your number card. I've just picked mine and it was a 16. So that's my number that I'm going to count on from. And then I'm going to roll my dice. And the number that it lands on is the number I'm going to count on. Mine's landed on a 3. So I'm going to put 16 in my head and count on 3 more. So I'm going to hold up 3 fingers and then I'm going to count along them. So 16, 17, 18, 19. So 16 and 3 more, 16 add 3 is 19. If you don't have a dice, then you could put your objects in front of you, pick your card and pick up a handful of objects. So I might have 16 and then I've picked up 1, 2, 3, 4 counters. So I'm going to put 16 in my head and count on 4. And I could do that as I put the objects out. So 16 in my head, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you could count on by grabbing a handful of your objects and counting on from your card. So whatever way you do it, it doesn't matter, but I would love to see a video of you counting on. Use your card to pick a number between 1 and 20. Might be that you get 3 and you might then pick 10 objects. So you're going to put 3 in your head, count on 10. 11, sorry, 3 in your head, 10. So I'm going to count on from the number in my head. Okay, I picked 10 in my cars. Pretend these are my cars. 3 in my head, add 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm adding by counting on. I'm going to put a number line on the last slide to help you counting on. So I might have picked my card. Oh, I've picked the number 6. So number 6 is my card number. I'm going to roll my dice. Oh, it's landed on a 5. So I'm going to count on 5. If you like, there's a number line to help you with all your numbers. So I can see counting on 5 more from the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's just double check that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The answer is 11. So I can't wait to see how you add by counting on. Use your your number cards from yesterday to give you your first number, and then use your objects or your dice or something you've got at home to help you pick a number to count on. I'm really looking forward to seeing your accurate counting and your careful counting on to get the answer. Keep striving and I'll see you soon. I look forward to seeing all of your work on Seesaw.